Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to enable direct messages previews in TikTok. If you want to quickly glance at your messages without opening the app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon located in the bottom drawer. This will take you to your TikTok profile. Step 3. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on those lines to access the TikTok menu. Step 4. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 5. Within the Settings and Privacy section, tap on Notifications. Step 6. Look for the option labeled Direct Messages Previews under the Messages category. Step 7. Enable the toggle switch next to Direct Messages Previews to start receiving previews of your direct messages on the lock screen or notification shade. By following these steps, you can conveniently preview your direct messages without having to open the TikTok app every time, allowing for quick and efficient communication with your TikTok community. Enabling direct messages previews can enhance your messaging experience, ensuring that you never miss an important message and can respond promptly. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the convenience of direct messages previews in TikTok.